have some Huda products. If you want to see what I've been purchasing, then please keep watching the video. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So today guys, we're going to look at some Huda products. So the first thing I brought was the Bombrows. This is a pencil. Creates soft hair-like strokes for effortless building and blending. With a durable spoolie at one end, it diffuses pigment perfectly so you can build and customize your look. It's vegan, sustainable, waterproof, transfer proof, 24-hour wear. There are 8 shades and I picked mine up in rich brown. Look how beautiful the packaging is. And you can pick this up from Huda for £15. So this is the pencil side. I don't know if you can see it, it's very fine. You are going to be able to create, I feel, some beautiful eyebrows with this. Do you feel like the formula is quite hard to draw? But that could be because it was outside. So that's that. A nice spoolie on the end, which is always a plus, I think, with these things. So I look forward to trying that out. Limited edition Candy Brown kit includes 4 ultra comfortable liquid matte minis, including new shades, one of our all-new Brown Obsessions Eyeshadow palette. This deliciously packed in a tortoise shell bag. Slay all day and create an effortless makeup look from daytime glam to sultry after dark vibes. This kit includes 4 mini matte lipsticks plus 1 bag and 1 Brown Obsessions palette of your choice. So the choices were caramel, toffee, chocolate, and I chose caramel, but they were all stunning and beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful little bag. It also has the Huda Beauty embossed it up here. Here we have the palette, all very beautiful. I'm so sorry the lights are shining on it. And inside is where the magic begins. Oh, these are absolutely bloody stunning. Look at them. Absolutely gorgeous. You can get a mirror too. No mirror. I can't wait to try this. And then inside this one you get the 4 lipsticks. The colour shades are Trendsetter, On Top, Femme, and Her Majesty. And here are the colours here. So let's swatch. That's beautiful. Obviously they're all matte, nice colour. Beautiful colour, and this one is Trendsetter. We then have On Top. What's this one? Like a red colour. That one. Then have Femme. It's not beautiful. It must smell like chocolate. I don't know if they're supposed to. And last but not least, we have Her Majesty, which is a very dark chocolate colour. Wow, that is dark. So very different colours there to try. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I really do like the lipstick. I think the kit is beautiful. £39. What a bargain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think this is worth £39? Have you tried the new brow pencil? I'm looking forward to trying this. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you haven't already. I'll leave all the link and info down below for you. I'll also leave the products info and links if you want to go check them out yourself. Okay, until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.